In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Help Center on eBay, a comprehensive eBay tutorial for beginners. Navigating customer support can sometimes feel overwhelming, but eBay's Help Center is a great resource to address your queries and concerns efficiently. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, knowing how to use this feature can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's begin by going to the Help and Contact section. To do this, simply start by heading over to the eBay homepage. You'll find the Help and Contact link conveniently located at the top of the page. Clicking this link will take you directly to the Help Center, which is your first step on the path to resolving your issue. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that you can find assistance quickly. Once you're on the Help Center page, the next step is to enter keywords related to your issue into the search bar. Think about the specific problem or question you have. It could be related to shipping, payment, or anything else. For instance, if your concern is about how to track a package, simply type "track package" in the search bar. This step is crucial because the keywords will help the Help Center direct you to the most relevant articles and FAQs. If you're not sure what keywords to use, try starting with broad terms and gradually become more specific based on the search results you get. After entering your keywords, you'll be presented with a list of potential solutions. This is where you can browse through different articles and resources provided by eBay. The Help Center is packed with solutions to a wide array of potential issues, from setting up an account to troubleshooting order problems. Take your time to go through the options and click on the ones that seem to match your problem most closely. It's like having your own personal library full of helpful guides and information. If you find a guide that resolves your issue, fantastic. Simply follow the instructions provided in the article. But if you're still stuck or need additional help, don't worry. eBay has got you covered. You can always contact support for more personalized assistance. On this same page, you'll find options to either start a chat with a virtual assistant or, depending on the time, connect with a customer service representative. Sometimes, human interaction can be incredibly helpful, especially if your issue is complex. And there you have it. Using the eBay Help Center is a straightforward process designed to make finding answers to your eBay-related questions as simple as possible. Remember, whether you're browsing solutions or reaching out for support, the Help Center is your go-to resource for resolving issues efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy eBaying!